I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Charge the watch to at least 20%, have the Wi-Fi SSID and password ready, and keep your phone close. On the watch, open Settings and tap Connectivity or Network. Once done, choose Wi-Fi and turn it on. The watch will scan for networks. If pairing with a phone app is required, open the companion app now and follow its prompt to add a device. This starts the handshake so the watch can receive network credentials. Now focus on selecting the correct network from the watch's scan list. Tap the SSID that matches your router. Small differences matter. When prompted, enter the password. Use the companion app's keyboard or QR method if the tiny on-watch keyboard is slow. Make sure case and special characters match. Once submitted, the watch will attempt to authenticate. If the watch shows obtaining IP or similar, wait. DHCP usually assigns an address. Finish by verifying the watch shows connected and an IP in settings right arrow Wi-Fi. If it fails, reboot the watch first. If still stuck, reboot the router. This clears DHCP conflicts. Make sure the router isn't blocking new devices with MAC filtering and switch the network to 4 GHz if the watch lacks 5 GHz support. As a key troubleshooting tip, temporarily enable a phone hotspot with the same SSID/password to test if the watch can connect at all. That isolates router issues from watch problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.